I'm Louisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a double peach hibiscus out of crepe paper. We'll start with a 2x7 cm piece of yellow paper for the interior of the flower. Try to make the cuts as thin as possible. And now we're going to take each strand and twirl it. For the next step, I'm going to use an alcohol marker in the marigold shade. You don't need this exact shade, or even you don't need necessarily an alcohol marker. Just make sure that what you use to paint the strand is a light shade of orange. And now for the petals. We're going to have two types of petals. The first type is the interior petals that are going to be 8 by 3 centimeters. We're going to make 15 pieces. We're going to lightly color the lower part of the petal. I'm using a simple crayon, but it would be even better if you have oil pastels. You just want to make sure that you're going to color both sides of the petal. We're going to twist each petal and then untwist it. This is going to give each petal that specific hibiscus texture. After we finished making the rest of the interior petals, it's time to start gluing. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. you'll give the Double Peach Hibiscus a try. And if you do, afterwards, you have an entire playlist dedicated to crepe paper flowers on my channel, so you can make a bouquet perfect for any occasion. And now let's start working on the exterior petals. We're going to make 5 pieces. Each is going to be cut from an 8 by 6 centimeters piece of paper. And for these exterior petals, we're going to go through the same steps as for the interior ones. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!